Kei te tūtaki tātou ki tētehi kai wakatauira wakanikoniko ko Cecelia Kumeroa tōna ingoa, e uri aia no te awa Tupua.
E rere kau mai te awa nui mai te kaui maunga ki Tangaroa, ko ai te awa ko te awa ko ai. Ko roepe i te maunga, ko Whanganui te awa, ko ati haunui a paparangi te iwi, he uri ahau no te awa Tupua, maa ngā hapu, ko parekino te marae.
E māraki ana te kite e matanga aia kene momo MAHI TOI.
I went through key school Whanganui here. I just did all my training in Whanganui. But I graduated with a BFA in 1999.
E kite ana mai ki roto I te kaune era aroe o Whanganui.
They had an interior glass designs to do. Every step of that project I was like, really? I was thinking they're not going to let us do this because it's the council. I was thinking, historically, we don't have a lot of MAHI TOI in public spaces.
Kua whakatāe kiritia tāna mai au, ara te waka maumaara ki Roto Kawau.
So what they wanted to do was recreate the waka maumahara. And so they knew that I had some digital skills, so they contacted me. I had, of course, given her all the names of the carvers that around town, but after the Virginia Lakes Trust did a little bit of asking around, and they talked to Dean Flavel and some others, they decided, they realised quickly they didn't have the budget to create an actual carved waka maumahara.
Koe nei, ko te ua nui o ana mai, kei te kitea wānuitia ki te apuri nei o Whanganui. E piarau, e ika, e pātiki, e mako, ko ngā tamariki o Tangaroa.
The Sargent Gallery contacted me, would I like to do a mural for the wall for the construction fence. I said, yep, kei te pai, what would you like? They said they wanted to have maybe some black shapes, and they needed it to be visible from the other side of the river but not entice people to go up too close. All of the designs on that are related to our Whanganui River marae and our tukituku panels and then some contemporary stuff.
E pai ana aia ki te kaunga o ngā mai o ana tauira.
I have really great design students. We've just got someone who, I actually can't talk about what they've done, but they've done a really great project for a local kura. And he's Māori, and a lot of our top students that I've seen at the moment recently have been high achieving Māori students, because they're very talented already. They come in, but then they learn some different skills and they mix with everybody, because we have a wide range of students here, so it's really good.
Kia kite e te ao ngā mai matihiko a toi o Whanganui. Eruera Rerekura, te reo o te uru. Ko te reo, te take.